Hello everybody, and this video is based on the botanical for a women's health. Okay. Basically, women face a unique set of the health challenges that have the power to really affect the quality of the life. It is not managed properly. In my practice, I have encountered women who voiced concern about the side effect to pharmaceutical approaches or have felt like these have a deal with on their own. I think it's important to lay out all options for patients and give them freedom to choose how to manage their symptoms. This video will cover some of the most common botanical uses to support women's health during menopause, and breastfeeding. Studies suggest that the chastity and ginkgo may be useful in treatment of PMS symptoms. PMS may involve pelvis cramping, bloating, headache, nausea, or vomiting, changes in bowel movement, aching, and mood swing. A study conducted in the Institute of the Healthcare and Science of the Germany that on effect of chastity extra showed that 52% of participants saw a decrease in symptoms compared to just 24% of placebo, and researchers concluded that the botanical was well tolerated the treatment of PMS symptoms. Botanical that may be useful to alleviation of menopause symptoms include black cogia, rhubarb, sage, and red clover. Menopause is defined as the accusation of the manicus woman for natural decline reproductive hormone called estrogen. Due to menopause, there will be many women they feel many problems such as arthritis and any other problem due to the lack of estrogen in the body. Efficiency of SAG for menopause symptoms shows a 50% decrease in hot flushes when treated with once daily tablet for fresh SAG. Researchers conclude that the fresh SAG preparation demonstrating cleaning value of the treatment and the hot flashes associated menopausal symptoms. Okay, so while there are the abundance reports for consuming phenol and fenugreek help to increase the breast milk supply. So phenol, FENNEL, phenols and fenugreek help to increasing the breast milk supply. Neither herb has sufficient scientific evidence base to confirm these claims. While these herb may provide relief to many women with few side effects, it is nonetheless important to review the reading in this lesson for general information on user safety application and example doses of each herb. Please be sure to also check out Botanical for Health Women's Health Research Guide to learn more about the evidence-based support in these topics. Okay, so yeah, this video was based on Botanical for Women's Health.